My name is Tanner Robison. I am a recent PhD graduate in Fei Wei Li's lab, and now I'm staying here as a postdoc. I study how a group of plants called hornworts enhance their photosynthesis. The concentration of CO2 in the atmosphere is actually quite low relative to the concentration of oxygen in the atmosphere. This is important because the enzyme that is responsible for capturing CO2 from the atmosphere and turning it into sugar actually makes a lot of mistakes and will react with oxygen instead of CO2. And this is costly for the plant. And so this group of plants that I study, hornworts, are able to actively concentrate CO2 into a specialized compartment, which is filled with rubisco. And so this raises the local concentration of CO2 and makes photosynthesis more efficient. I study the molecular, evolutionary, and biophysical basis of this subcellular structure. So interestingly, this structure has evolved multiple times across hornwort diversity. So some species have independently acquired this structure using different proteins and using different genes. So the Triad money has helped me to go to different locations and collect different species so that we can sequence them and compare these genes to see how a structure like this evolves. And also, the funds are allowing me to go do a short visit at a collaborator's lab where I'll be able to test the function of these proteins, which will be a big advancement in our efforts to engineer these photosynthesis enhancing structures into crop plants and thus increase crop yields.